Hello everyone. Today I am Srijna from Birla Institute of Management Technology and I would like to tell you about assortment planning. Assortment planning involves choosing the optimal set of products that are to be carried and the inventory level that has to be maintained to maximize the sales and profitability. Assortment planning is becoming a central feature of merchandise planning in today's retail environment, as creating a correct assortment is a key to retailers to achieve financial success and create loyal customers. Now, I would like to tell you how the different type of retailers do the assortment planning. Starting with the international retailers. International retailers such as Walmart decide their assortment by knowing the fact that the shoppers buy in groups. So, to increase their revenue and profits, they tend to decide that what all items can be bought together to optimize merchandising. Whereas in fashion industries, the assortment is decided with respect to the newest launches, as the life is highly style and fashion oriented. Also, some other international retailers go for the process of globalization, that is global plus local, in which they analyze the taste of the local market as well as what the brand is known for globally, and on the basis of this they decide their assortment. Online retailers such as Amazon plan their assortment with respect to the presentation, as the limited constraint here is displayed. So further bifurcations are made based on offers, fad products, prices and priorities. They also make use of suggestive selling, in which the products which have high correlation with the other items are up for suggestive selling, cross-selling and add-ons. Unorganized retailers such as small vegetable sellers in a mandi plan their assortment as per the tastes and fancies of the proprietor. They make use of the qualitative data as well as the quantitative data such as previous year's sales to plan their assortment. Moving on to the last type of retailers, that is the organized retailers. Organized retailers such as Future Group use the information such as past sales data, trend analysis and market research to determine its SKUs. Also, they offer the merchandise that none of its competitors carries. Assortment planning is also done using the technique in which the store divides its merchandise to hit the first floor season, then the quarter season and then the monthly hits, and on the basis of monthly hits they plan the drops. Hope you all have liked the video.